Sour Power. Do you like it when a glass of super sour lemonade makes your lips pucker? Do you like having a piece of sour candy that makes your eyes water? If something that leaves a sour taste in your mouth is okay with you, then you're a fan of citric acid. Citric acid is a white solid acid. It is also highly soluble in water. You can dissolve a lot of it in a small amount of water. Like other acids, citric acid has sour power. If you've ever bitten into a lemon, then you know how citric acid tastes. About 6% of lemon juice is citric acid. Citric acid is found naturally in other fruits such as oranges, limes, and grapefruits. All of these fruits are known as citrus fruits. Citric acid is found in most plants and animals. This important acid aids the process by which living things use energy to grow and move. This process is called metabolism. Citric acid is a widely used food additive. It is sour, safe, and inexpensive. Every year, tons of citric acid are added to foods. As an additive, it can be used for a number of purposes. It gives many foods their sour tastes, including sodas and candies. In jams and preserves, it helps fruits keep their color and flavor. Look on the backs of some cans and boxes in your cupboard. You will probably find a few foods that include citric acid as an ingredient. Citric acid is also used to make inks, dyes, medicines, and cleansers. Scientists can obtain citric acid by extracting it from lemons and other citrus fruits. But because citric acid is so widely used today, huge quantities are needed. So factories have been built to obtain citric acid from fermenting sugar. Citric acid is not the only type of acid found in foods. Other weak acids are found in such natural substances as vinegar, tomatoes, and sour milk. There are also acids unrelated to food that are stronger and can be more dangerous. They can burn through skin and paper and should be handled with care. These types of acids are often used by scientists to conduct experiments and make chemicals. Carl Wilhelm Scheele did not get the fame and attention some of his peers received, yet Scheele made many discoveries that furthered the science of chemistry. One of his discoveries was citric acid. Scheele was a careful researcher and experimenter. However, he would often wait for a long time before writing about and publishing his results. This delay sometimes led to others getting credit for discoveries that Scheele had made. In 1772, for example, Scheele discovered oxygen while heating potassium nitrate. The credit for this discovery eventually went to Joseph Priestley 2 years later because Priestley's account was published first. Scheele would not publish his account until 1777, which was 5 years after the event. Among Scheele's other discoveries were the element nitrogen, chlorine, and manganese. The Swedish chemist proved nitrogen to be a component of air. In 1785, Scheele isolated citric acid in certain plants. Citric acid in your taste buds. How does your tongue know when something is sour or sweet? Taste buds on the top of the tongue detect different tastes. People have between 2,000 and 5,000 taste buds on their tongues. There are 4 basic tastes that your tongue can detect. They are sour, sweet, bitter, and salty. Taste buds concentrated on different parts of the tongue sense the chemicals such as citric acid found in food. Then nerve cells connected to the taste buds send messages to the brain about what the chemicals taste like. Humans are more sensitive to bitter and sour tastes than to sweet and salty tastes. Both bitter and sour tastes can alert you to foods that might be harmful. Sour often means something is rotten or unripe. Bitter can mean poison.